Hi, this is Rajesh from lucidreels.com. I have tried lot of different methods to organize my to-do lists. I've tried journaling, I've tried to-do apps, I've tried lot of other methods. One thing that stuck with me are these Kanban boards. Kanban is the only method that worked best for me. I'll give a quick intro on what this method is and how it works. I use Trello. You can use any app of your choice, but it has to have this Kanban boards. So if you have that, then you can use any app that you want. But I use Trello. So let's just quickly create a new board. So let's call this YouTube to do and click create. This is what you're greeted with. It's an empty space. Let's just try another method. Organizing something from a blank template might be quite overwhelming in the beginning, but trust me, this is what you want to start with. For the demonstration sake, I'll show you another method. Let's create a new board. Here start with the template, and I'll choose the Kanban template. You can call it anything you want. Keep cards checkbox, you have to keep it on, otherwise it won't work. Now let's just hit create. How Kanban works is it organized vertically. As you can see, this horizontal is the different groups that you can create. So everything in this design group, it's all for design. Now we have something in the to do list. Let's just create task 1 and add the card. So once you started doing the task 1, what you have to do is, like, you can just simply drag it here. You can put it on the top if you want, if it is at the bottom. It's also fun to organize the to-do list like this. It's kind of interesting. It's like playing a video game, so that's why I use this. It's super fun and it gets the work done. Once you have completed it, just move this task back to done and it will reside here. But here, as you can see, in the completed task, there is a green thing that shows the date and time, and there is a checkbox. So let's just take it back to do, and here there is a mark complete. You can just simply click that and it will be marked as complete. So you can keep it here or you can move it into a separate vertical. Now let's just quickly open this. There is something called labels. You can label them. You just call it done, and let's just create a new label and let's give it a color and create. So I'll just quickly remove the other one. Now if you can see, you have the label done. You can add any text that you want. It's up to you. You have to, like, it takes some practice to sort of use this. Once you stick to it, you can improvise and organize it based on your workflow and your liking. Let's just quickly open to do, and you can add text, you can add comments. What I generally do is I have a task description, and whatever other ideas that what I do is I write it in the comments, new idea, and hit save. So you can simply, let's just call this new idea 1, save, and let's add another comment, new idea 2, and hit save. This is a method I use to keep everything organized, because when you have lots of paragraphs of text describing what you're trying to do, then organizing that will become very difficult. So what I do is I tend to write it in the comments so that it's visible and it's easier to follow. This is something I would recommend you do it as well. Hope this video helped. I'll see you guys in the next one.